So this is my newest tarantula, salmon pink bird eater, or LP as it's commonly known. She's a big girl. She's an adult female. Like I say, just picked her up now, don't go behind there. And she's, as you can see, absolutely huge. Just try and move her from there. She can actually be handled. She's pretty docile actually. She'll just walk on my hand generally. Well, I say that, she won't now. Because I'm filming, but yeah, generally she'll just walk on my hand. As you can see, she's a big girl. See if I can get her just to walk on my hand now, so I can show you. She's flicking a little bit. Oh, startled her a little bit. But yeah, so she's by far my biggest tarantula. Just gonna try and nudge her that way a little bit. I think she's a little bit scared. She is tending to flick a little bit, so I might just leave her alone, put her back in. Because like I say, I've only just got her today and I have rehoused her, so